Good morning, welcome to Mickey and My Crown. This is Hilda, your host. Today we have the second part of the DIY choose. We have big hauls during this month, but these are promotional items, okay? We have three more, two 30 by 40 and one 30 by 30. So let's take a look at the 30 by 30. By the way, welcome to all those new subscribers. Okay, have a wonderful timing here. You can ask questions at any time. I respond usually between 24 and 48 hours. Okay. So here we got, we have the boat over here. Let me get it closer. These ones are already keyed up with the number of the canvas, HQ336. Okay, so let's get started. This is a 30. I got this one because I love roosters. Remind me of the waking up at 6 o'clock in the morning, but the singing of the rooster. 20 colors. This one, beautiful, colorful symbols and letters. They all have the DMC code. This is nice. This is nice. Glue, soft glue, very colorful canvas, very colorful canvas. Look at the chickadee, the chicken and the rooster. Beautiful, very countryside. And a lot of beautiful colors. And here we have the color, we have the drills. Look at how beautiful they are. Very summery, very. The other side. Look at these beautiful colors. Beautiful drills too. Look at this green. So here they are. Okay, let's go with the 30 by 40s. The two that we have over here. Mickey. We have Mickey on the house. Mickey, no. Be a good boy. Oh, this is a big no-no. Here it is, the toolkit. This, I don't like. Compare this to this. This is much better. Over here, we have to spend a lot of time breaking this down for kitting it up. And this one is the B4834. Let's take a look at the canvas. This is a beautiful canvas. 22 color. It's a lot of purple in here. Purples and pink. Good glue. And here it is. It's a lot of shining there because of the water and light. But the symbols are pretty clear. Even in the darker areas. This is beautiful. It's a beautiful scenery. I'm going to show you the colors from far away, but I don't subscribe to this. These, you should get away out of this. Here are some of the colors. Okay. Pinks. There's a lot of pinks and purples on this one. For the purple person. And lilas. And there's a pink. So I thought that this was getting rid of all long time ago. Okay. Here it is one more time. From far away. That's a waterfall. And the light. Okay. And the last one, but not the least. 30 by 40. Let's see. Oh yeah, this one came cool. Here is the toolkit. We need to put the number of the canvas on this one. Ooh, a lot of black. Take a look at this big one. Look at these colors, beautiful colors, so muted. Go check them out. Yeah, a lot of black for the background. Okay, look at this. Beautiful. This one has 21 colors. All of them are letters. Take a look at how beautiful this is. NH3485. Let me write that in here. Let me see. Yeah, I want to write it because I don't want to. Here it is. 21 color. Don't need that much. Here is the dark areas. This a lot. The background is in black. That's why you see a big bag of 3/10. Beautiful. Rose at the end, a very open rose. I like flowers. That's beautiful. Very, very, very beautiful. Let's open the pack to see if we can take a pick at the colors. Here it is, a pack of 3/10. I'm gonna take it out for a moment so we can see the other colors. Okay, here they are. Beautiful. The yellows for the flowers. The red ones is. Here they are. Put this one back. These are beautiful canvases. Beautiful, gorgeous canvases. Well, folks, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and comment if you're new. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. I hope you enjoyed this one, this unboxing. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.